Doing some more jerky on the bull racks, and tonight we've got jerky cut from London broil. I've marinated it overnight. One of them is a Country Bob's marinade, and the other is a teriyaki marinade with lots of peppers and seasonings and south of the border rub added to it. So these would be pretty zippy. Hey, you want to give your trays a good spray with a good cooking spray, which helps for cleanup a lot. Load your racks up and head for the grill. Got the grill temperature set for 170. I'm thinking maybe 2-3 hours. We'll see. On the bull racks, on the Green Mountain Grill. I've got it set for 170. A good hickory pellet, good hickory smoke we're going to do. And I'm looking at a 2-3 hour cook. Smells great already. We're just getting started. We're an hour into the smoke here at 170. Looking good, smelling great. Love these bull racks. I think we're almost ready. Been 2 hours at 170 degrees. Still a little tender to touch, so it won't be real hard and chewy. Might leave it on a few more minutes, not long. Been on 2 hours now on a nice hickory smoke at 170. And you see that empty spot right there? That was my test piece. It's great. It is time to pull it. There it is, and it is really good.